Installing ScripTouch Microsoft Word plugin and signing a document on Windows. Before you begin, you will need the latest version of Microsoft Word installed. Note, this must be installed before Sign and Save. A Scriptel ScripTouch signature pad connected to your computer. The latest version of ScripTouch Sign and Save installed. Need help? Check out the link to our handy guide in the description. Signing a document. Open the document that you want to sign. Click on ScripTouch at the top of the window. Click on Capture Signature at the top left of the window. You can now sign on the signature pad. You will see your signature appear in the window. After you have signed, press either OK on the pad or Accept in the Sign and Save window. Click and drag your signature to reposition it. Click the handles along the outside to resize it. Your signature was successfully applied. If you are having problems with Scriptel products, please contact our customer support by email support@my.scriptel.com, by phone 844-972-7478.